Have you seen on social media sites some content creators share their desktop screen recordings that shows and highlights certain portion of the screen very clearly, and wherever the mouse hover goes, automatically that part zooms in and zooms out to give clear idea about what the content creator is talking about. You can create such stunning, beautiful screen recordings without any video editing skill sets or some special plugins, or you don't have to spend several minutes or hours in learning a video editing tool to do such screen recording with such zoom in and zoom out effects. Hello and welcome to Daily Edit Video. In this episode, we are going to see about the Canvid screen recorder for Windows computers. Normally, you can see in social media sites like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, people share their Mac screen recordings with beautiful, automatic zoom in and zoom out and certain videos, small tutorials, or some clips that helps you to guide to certain applications or websites, and it may look like edited for several minutes or hours. Absolutely not. People use certain software to do such things automatically while recording the screen. It just don't have to be a plain screen recording of your entire desktop anymore, and you need to post process like edit the video to manually zoom whichever portion you need. So right now we have the Canvid software that helps you to do that in Windows computers. We have already covered about the Mac software. If you're here to check out the Mac software that does similar beautiful screen recordings, you can check the video that I have provided link in the description and in the first comment, which is the Screen Studio for Mac. So this Canvid does exactly a wonderful job similar to the Screen Studio when it comes to the screen recording, and automatically zoom in and zoom out, and based on the mouse hover and the actions that you perform with the mouse cursor. So here the interface is pretty simple. I'm just going to demonstrate the features with the free version. We'll share about the pricing details at the end of the video. First, we will quickly go through the features it offers. So here, just for understanding, I'm going to click the entire desktop, and you can select whether you want to record the camera and which microphone. If you have any USB microphone connected to your computer, you can select it from here. And if you want to play any system audio related things like with the background sound, you can of course enable it. But right now I'm using the camera and microphone with another screen recording software. And inside my Mac, it is the Windows 11 that is running in Parallels Desktop 20 software. I'll also leave a link to that review and discount details in the description and in the first comment. Like if you want to run Windows inside your Mac, you can check the Parallel software also. So coming back to the topic. So here you can select whether the entire screen has to be selected or a specific window even before starting with the recording process. If you have multiple desktop, you will be given an option, or multiple apps opened, you will be given an option here which window or application have to be recorded, so that if it is a browser window or any application walkthrough that you like to give, it'll be, you can select just that application and everything will be excluded from the recording, so that the information that you want to share will be very precise and clear. So here I'm going to select the entire monitor just to show how easy it is, and simply click on the recording, and that's it. The recording started. So I'm going to just browse through the Apple website to show the features of it. And if I click or, just double tap or perform any mouse related hover effects or any actions, then automatically that portion will be zoomed. For example, if I'm selecting this just to highlight the price, monthly installment details while explaining in my short video tutorial or a detailed video tutorial, you can see in the post-production that the zoom effect will automatically be applied. This Canvid screen recorder also has a built-in video editor, which will let you to edit your screen recordings once everything is done. So here I'm finishing it, just a 1 minute short video, and it will take a little bit time to process that particular video. And here you will be presented with the editor window where you can see the screen recording software, and wherever the zoom happened, it automatically shows here. So this is where I was selecting the installment, the fees and installment details, and you can see that automatically zoomed and then zoomed out. once the task completed. If you don't want the second zoom to happen, you can click and then delete zoom. And even with the first zoom tasks, if you want to adjust the padding, you can adjust the padding level here, whether the corners have to be rounded or it should be sharp rectangle. So you can choose everything here. So by default, I like the padding to be set to 0% so that more focus can be given to the video recording window, the main window that we are working with. And here you can change the wallpaper to something, that you want the background to be. Again, it is depending on the padding settings you have in the previous page. And the image, if you want to set any custom image, you can select it here. And the cursor, whether you want to show it or not, or just straight away you want to show the zoom in and zoom effect, out effect, you can choose that based on the option here. You can select whether the camera input have to be present or not, and you can adjust the effects. You can also use their AI based audio enhancement utilities, and you can choose the zoom animation style here, whether it has to be molasses, gentle, stiff, something similar to the Screen Studio for Mac, what it does. Now we have the similar software for Windows, the perfect zoom in and zoom out, and a recording that will go viral. And if you want to create any screen recording to embed in your presentation or with your video tutorial to be published online, to use it with your meetings and any other tutorials, walkthroughs, or within your project presentations, you can record a beautiful screen recording and share it with your colleagues. So it will definitely be helpful. And this is the editing window. And if you want to add any custom zoom, simply you will see when you hover the cursor here in the editing window, you can see the plus, and here the zoom effect. When I play it, you can see I can adjust it up to which time duration it has to come, and it automatically zooms in and then zooms out once the effect is completed. So here the auto selection can also be helpful. So you can see the 1024 by 1024, I think 1:1 automatically converts the video into square. And if you want it to be like 9:16 for reels or shots, you can simply select it here. And when you click on export, you can see that as it is a free version, it allows us to go through the features of the application. You can export it up to 4K video once you purchased the application. They have a simple one licensing method. The lifetime license comes around $149, but for limited time, you can purchase it for $99. You just pay once and you can use the features that you're getting for the next 1 year for the life. Okay. And next year, if you want to get any new features they announce, you need to pay for the upgrade, which I think could be around $49. Maybe it is not yet confirmed. I'm just sharing my assumption. So maybe a small fee will be charged in order to get the new features once they release an upgrade option, after the next version is released next year. I think that is why they haven't included any update fees right now, as the software is entirely new, launched recently. And you can use the single license, the $99 license, lifetime, up to 3 devices in laptop and desktop. And if you want to share it with your friend, you can, of course, do it on 3 computers totally. And you will get all the bug fixes and app updates for 1 year, and any cloud services also free for 1 year. If you're looking for any custom plan for the teams, you can contact them. I'll leave a link to the Canvid website, which has this pricing details and offers. You can check that, and then you can proceed with the purchase after trying out their free version also. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.